Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a photo to a contact on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do that, we need to open the phone app. Then over here, you want to select one of your contacts, choose the one that you want to add the photo to. Then you want to press on this pen icon. And then once you are in the edit contact, you want to press on the image in the middle, in the circle. Then you can either open the camera and take the picture immediately, or you can use the gallery if you have already taken the picture. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. Of course, you can adjust the photo as you wish. You can zoom in and zoom out. And then, of course, you can also rotate the photo if needed. And once you are done, press choose. And now we can press save in the top right corner. And there we go. We have a photo added to a contact. Keep in mind that you can only add photo to a contact that is saved on the device or on the Google account, because if the contact is saved to a SIM card, you don't have the option to choose a photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.